Hello guys, here is how to change Gmail ID name on your Android phone. In this guide today, you're going to learn step-by-step procedure that you need to follow to change your Gmail name ID on Android phone. There are two known procedures to achieve this, and in this guide, we will take you through both procedures. So let's start. Open the Gmail app on your Android phone. If you have more than one Gmail account on your Android phone, click on the profile picture and select the Gmail you want to change the name ID on your Android phone. So, in this tutorial, I want to change the Gmail ID name of dot.com16@gmail.com. So I've selected the Gmail account. Now click on the hamburger to the top left, scroll down the page and click on settings. Now you see the list of all the Gmail accounts you have on your Android phone. So in this case, we're going to click on the Gmail we want to change the ID name by clicking on dot.com16. So in your own case, click on the Gmail ID you want to change the name. Now you click on manage your account. And wait for the page to load. When this page loads, you have access to information like your account privacy and personalization, your personal information, data and personalization, security, people sharing, payments and subscriptions. So since we are interested in changing the Gmail ID name, click on personal info. Now tap on name. When you tap on name, it takes a few moments for the interface to load. Now you have options for first name and last name. Tap on the option and enter the new name. Let's say Desomi Franklin. Then tap the save button. You see updating on the bottom left. Now you now see your change might take a while to show everywhere. Now the Gmail ID name has been changed successfully. Now this might take a while for the name to take effect everywhere, that is across all your device. Now to confirm this, whether the name has been changed, refresh your Gmail, or better still, select another account and come back, select another account and click on the name. Now so let's verify this, whether the name has been changed. Personal, can you see Adesomi Franklin? The name has been changed. Can you see? That's one of the ways to change your Gmail ID name on Android phone. So let's try the second approach. So instead of you going through all this process, going to settings, you just click on the profile picture and click on manage account. Click on personal information, tap name. So this might take a while depending on your internet access. So let's wait until the interface loads. Now click on first name and enter the name you want to change your Gmail ID to. and click on the save button. Updating. So the name has been changed successfully. So guys, this is how to change your Gmail name, your Gmail ID name on your Android phone. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will not miss out our next update. Thanks.